Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 without lag. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. A poor connection is a common culprit. Next, dive into your in-game video settings. Lowering graphics quality, resolution, and disabling effects like shadows can significantly boost performance. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. These programs often consume valuable CPU and RAM, which Counter-Strike 2 needs to run smoothly. Optimizing your system is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest version. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Similarly, ensure your operating system is fully updated, as these updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Lastly, use your game launcher, like Steam, to verify the integrity of your game files. This process can fix corrupted files that might be causing lag or crashes. For optimal network performance, always use a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. Wired connections offer greater stability and lower latency, which is vital for online gaming. Also, disable any unnecessary network services or virtual private networks, or VPN, that might be running in the background. These can add extra hops and latency to your connection. Within Counter-Strike 2 settings, consider setting a maximum acceptable ping limit to avoid connecting to distant, laggy servers. If you've tried everything and still experience lag, consider hardware upgrades. More RAM, perhaps 16 gigabytes, or a more powerful graphics processing unit, or GPU, can make a significant difference. Also, monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures. Overheating components can lead to thermal throttling, reducing performance. For more deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, be sure to check the link in the description below. Keeping your system cool is key to consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.